I am super excited to show you guys this 2023 Chinese New Year nail set that I did. So I'm going to get right into it. And also in this video, I'm just going to talk about some different predictions for this year and stuff like that. I'm pretty much just getting this off of Google, but I wanted to do a 2023 design. But since I actually missed the normal or like the United States New Year, don't want to say normal, I decided to look up the Chinese New Year, and I know every year has an animal. So this year is actually the rabbit, or more specifically the water rabbit. So that's why I'm doing like the blue. It was super cool. I'll link all of the colors that I'm using down below. These nail tips are the Nails by Dev. I'll also link that below. I have a few different tips now that I use, and I don't usually work with these ones only because they are like the Xxl. So there's no way I'd actually wear these nails out. I think I did once for Halloween actually. I have a video on that. Those were super cute, but I like to use these nails because they're super long and I can do different designs. Oh, what you saw right there was this bunny was so super hard to draw. That was earlier in the day. No, actually, it took me 2 days to do this set. So the first day I was trying to do the bunny so many times, didn't work out. So here I'm trying to do it again. But yes, okay. First, I wanted to say I did get some new followers and a lot of great comments. Well, not followers, but subscribers. I keep forgetting this is YouTube. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I just want to say super thank you to that. I'm going to keep putting out content. I know that was a JEWHITNEY dupe video that kind of got me a little bit more action on here. So I will be testing that out again in some different products, but mainly this channel, I like to draw, paint, and do different designs. So you'll see me doing different artwork, but yeah, I want to get into this Chinese zodiac predictions. So just a little bit of information. 2023 again is the year of the water rabbit, and it starts January the 22nd until February the 9th of 2023, and this is predicted to be a year of hope. Rabbits are considered to be vigilant, witty, quick-minded, and ingenuous. Ooh. Very cool. Does anyone else know like their Chinese zodiac sign? I want to say mine's the pig. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was born in 1995. I think I am the pig. So yeah, there's so much information on this. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to go into all of this. The snail video is not as long as I thought, but you guys, I am a Sagittarius. I'm really not into all of this stuff, so I'm realizing it's actually kind of difficult to go into this if I'm not even familiar with the regular zodiac signs. But here's some characteristics of this specific type of rabbit. They list out the wood rabbit, the fire rabbit, the earth rabbit, the gold rabbit, and the water rabbit. So again, this year, 2023, it's the water rabbit, and it's gentle, amicable, able to adjust readily to different conditions, but with a weak mindset and principles. Oh, goodness, that got dark. Okay. Very cool. So I guess I'm going to be putting this up before the Chinese New Year starts. But again, this design was too cute to wait. I'll also be putting out some like Valentine's Day designs. My son's birthday is actually on Valentine's Day, so it is a holiday I really, really love, even though I don't necessarily have a Valentine other than my son. So you'll see some of those. And you guys, I am going to Hawaii at the end of February, so I'm going to be doing tropical sets. Even though it is winter and cold and snowy and rainy where I am, I will be doing tropical sets to get myself in the mood for that vacation. I am super excited, so that's just some things to look forward to. And I think like this year of hope sounded really nice to me. Like it really resonated when I was reading some of this. You guys can definitely check this out as well, because I am actually not gonna read this full thing to you guys. I'm gonna let you watch some of the snail video to see what's going on. And goodness, okay, another disclaimer, because I know you guys already see it because I am watching this too. My hand is in your face most of this video, so I sincerely apologize for that. I don't know what happened with the recording. I think I film on my phone, so I think I had it backwards. So it was more focused in, like the camera part was more focused in on where my hand was. So it tried to focus on my hand every time I lifted it closer to the camera. So it just looks like I'm all up in your face. Sorry about that. I tried to cut that, but you guys can still see when it breaks away what I'm doing here. But I really, really, really loved this glittery blue. I wanted to use that and some of the other blues I had. I have a really big set of different colors, so I dipped into that a lot. And then I actually used the Rosalind products. I did a video on those. I got sent a few different colors from them. I use that as well because those are super pigmented and they all have shimmer. When I think of the New Year's, I think of like glitter and shimmer and stuff like that. So I definitely wanted to add that, but we wanted that water look as well. So I wanted to give it like some depth. And here, I'm actually trying to figure out the 2023, how to like write it and what hand I was gonna put it on. And you guys, it still didn't turn out right on the hand. I mean, the thumbnail, it looks correct, I think. It would have worked, but I have such a hard time figuring out which way to write things and picture things depending on like, okay, I'm showing someone with my hand upright or I'm showing it with like, you know, my knuckles down, if that makes sense. So I kind of did it as far as like taking a picture and a thumbnail for you guys. But okay, I'm gonna stop chit-chatting. I want to say thank you again so much, you guys. I read all of your comments and you guys give like amazing tips and tricks and things. And you guys, I'm listening. I have a list. I have the notes filled out in my phone of everything I need and what I can try out because again, I love doing this, making the content and doing the nails. So I just want to get better and be able to like really master this, but also just enjoy it along the way. So thank you again for all your sweet comments and tips. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, we are going to finish writing up the 2023. We're going to design this nail and we're going to move on to the last one. Here I'm trying to just add a little bit of white highlight around each number in the 2023. And then I'm just going back around. I think this time I was kind of using two different colors of blue, both the shimmery one and the lighter blue, to just add a little pizzazz. Oh, also I used gold. I'm looking at it now. I also used a little bit of gold and I'm kind of doing the same like 2 lines of color on the final nail as well. It just was such a subtle and really pretty design. These colors really meshed well together in my opinion. So that's why I kind of like carried it on. This was a freestyle. Like I didn't plan this out. All I guess planned out was the rabbit because I looked at a picture online and I'm like, okay, that's the face of the rabbit that I'm going to use. But the rest of the nails, I just thought of things on the fly. I honestly like that best. They always come out the best for me. I don't know if I said this already, you guys, but I did get 2 kittens. I adopted them for Christmas, and you actually are gonna see a little peek of my littlest kitten that I adopted at the end of this video. She was so cute. When I was doing these nails, she was jumping on my lap, and then when I finished these nails and I take the pictures at the end, she was on my table and everything. She is just so like in your face. It's so cute. I wanted to quickly add that since these are press-ons, I do base coat on my nails, over that a little bit of cuticle oil and then glue. That way I'm able to wear them without them moving for the pictures and videos, and then I can pop them right off and actually save them for later. I know I get asked that as far as taking them off, so that's what I do. And here is the finished product, and here's a sneak peek at Lily, my little kitten. So say hello to her, and you guys have a great day. Bye.